What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Brandon. This is All Things Bearded. In today's episode, we're checking out a company that I've been eyeing for 2 years, and I finally got around to checking them out. So I'm really excited to dive into this review. We're talking about the Beard Baron. Now that all that stuff's out of the way, let's go ahead and dive into the review. So like I said, today we're checking out the Beard Baron. I've literally been eyeing this company for 2 years. I finally decided to pull the trigger on them. Now for the 2 oils that I have today, these came in 1 ounce blue bottles, restrictor caps on top of it, labeling super clean, super minimalist, has all the information that you need on it, has the carrier blend, has the name of the scent. Now depending on what scent you really do pick up from this company, the presentation might differ. They do have private stocks, limited editions, and sometimes those labels are just super bright, colorful, bold. They look great, and maybe the bottle is clear or has frosted glass, but either way you slice it, the presentation from the Beard Baron is an A+. Now as far as the carrier oil blend is concerned for the Beard Baron, that does consist of jojoba, argan, grapeseed, castor, sweet almond oil, and then the fragrance oils or essential oils. When we look at a fill-in beard, I had 0 complaints. My beard felt light, healthy, styled extremely well when I was using these beard oils. So 0 complaints with a fill-in beard with the Beard Baron. Let's go ahead and check out the 2 scents that I have to feature for today's review. Now the first scent that I have to check out from the Beard Baron is called Waikiki. I do believe this is the personal favorite of the Beard Baron. This scent does consist of orange, coconut, and kiwi. Now this scent right here, when I smell it, automatic summertime vibes. I do get a lot of that coconut up front. I do get the orange and the kiwi mixed in the back, but smells fantastic, just beautifully put together. An outstanding summertime tropical scent. I highly recommend this scent if you're into the tropical, the fruity, all those good summertime vibes are gonna be found within Waikiki from the Beard Baron. Fantastic scent. I can see why it's one of his personal favorites. So I highly recommend this scent, especially with the summertime months that are coming up. You should definitely check this scent out. So the other scent that I have from the Beard Baron is called Fireside. This is a scent profile of fir, balsam, bergamot, sandalwood, and patchouli. It's the #1 seller from the Beard Baron. It debuted in 2014, so 7 years ago for this, and Waikiki, and they really have lasted the whole length of the company. I see why. This scent right here, when I smell it, it's amazing. I'm smiling this big because I love woodsy scents, and this is just a smoky, woodsy, deep, rich, masculine scent. It's unlike anything else that I have in my collection, especially with woodsy scents, but I love it. Just imagine sitting around the fireplace, a bonfire, maybe have a flannel blanket, Carhartt jacket, however you want to look at it with those fall months. This is a mandatory scent in my opinion. It's fantastic. It's definitely going to be in my rotation when the winter weather comes. I'll be rocking Fireside the whole time probably. It's amazing. I highly recommend it. If you're in the woodsy scents like I am, this is a no-brainer, so check it out. Now a 1 ounce beard oil from the Beard Baron does run $25. Now if you're not sure on what scent you want to check out, go ahead and check out the 2 sample packs they have on their website. They retail for $15 a piece. They have 3 scents in each kit. They come in a 3.5 milliliter container, so you're gonna get multiple uses out of it. You're gonna be able to smell these scent profiles, see how the fill-in beard feels, and they're just great for traveling too. I'm going on vacation. I'm taking both of these with me, so I'll be rocking the Beard Baron the entire time I'm on vacation. Just fantastic job for traveling and for trying them out. Now also check them out on YouTube. I will be linking their YouTube channel in the description below. 135,000 subscribers for a reason. He does a great job at going over products, demonstrating how to use them, breaking down scent profiles, new products, and he also does some really great Q&As. Now you can also check them out on Instagram. I think they have 20,000 followers on there, so go ahead and follow them on there as well. Add yourself to that number. Overall, you guys, the Beard Baron did not disappoint. I really regret not trying them sooner, but I will definitely be back to get more scent profiles from them. Hope you enjoyed this episode. I'll catch you in the next one, and as always, stay safe and stay bearded.